K1. In lane 3, Adam Brown from Rideau Canoe Club. In lane 4, Chris Gray from the Podium. In lane 5, Adel from Ottawa River. Robbie LaForest from Rideau, and lane 9, Adam LaForest from Rideau. Let's cheer for these athletes.
Woo! Go, Tommy! Woo! Runs 10K, wins the kayak race.
This is Tommy's cheering squad. Good job, Tommy!
Good race. Good race. Thanks, Ian.
Angus.
Angus? Sorry. It's the beer.
He said that, well done.
Yes, very well done.
That was so good.
Good race, Tommy.
Thanks, Mom.
Good job. Woohoo!
Hey, Adam.
So good.
The second person was a guy.
How'd you find that?
I'm coming to video your son. Second place. Hi, Daryl. I'm Marianne. Congratulations. You're a good paddler.
Let's go. Keep going.
Adam. Good job, Adam. Excellent race.
Best paddler I'm the first paddler in the world.
Pretty much, yep.
Good job, Tommy.
Thanks.
You had a pretty good guide out there, too, eh?
I've never seen him paddle. That was
Good, eh?
He's fast.
Is Grandma and Grandpa okay?
The camera.
Yep. Got a video, yeah. But
Kayak's fast. Kayak's fast. My kayak race.
I know, you went really fast. Well, you went so fast that you won.
Uh-huh.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah.
whoa. Oh, Grandma and Grandpa are gonna go. Can I take a still of everybody?
Chilled out, man.
Yes.
Can we have all the racers?
Oh, Tommy, you're funny. Aw. How are you? Did you have fun today? Aw. Thanks, Robbie. That's nice. I love your guys. They're so nice. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Sure.
I gave you the channel.
Mother
There you
of
go.
the second place.
There you go. There you are.
I'm Gail.
It's Daryl, right?
Daryl.
Daryl. Tommy, do you want to meet Daryl? He came second. Let's go say, let's tell him congratulations, okay? Come on over here. This is Daryl in the green shorts. Right here. Tom, come on back. This is Daryl right here.
Hi, Daryl. Daryl who? Congratulations, Daryl. What?
That was Daryl's first race ever.
Yeah, my.
It's so like
He's new at kayak racing, Tom.
it's not just, a day.
Really?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
27.
What?
27. 27, Tom. Tommy's got a thing about people's ages. He likes to know ages. Tommy's 21. So you're older than him.
So are you finished school, Tom?
How does he know?
Are you finished school?
Yes, I finished school.
Which school were you at?
I was at secondary school.
And what are you going to do now?
Well, no. Well, I'm going to get a medal.
Oh yeah. Right now he's going to get a
That's a
medal.
good thing to do.
I was wondering what the answer to that would be, but it's a good answer. It's immediate. Works for me.
Go get a medal.
It's a good answer. Pretty much. Why make things more complicated than they need to be?
And he has a big mustache.
No, actually, he has.
And he's 23
I'm just
years old
interested in
now.
what he's saying about his brother to your husband.
Adorable little girlfriend with a tattoo.
Oh, he has an adorable little girlfriend with a tattoo. She does.
Her name is Laura Burns. He lives in Iceland with Laura Burns' adorable little girlfriend, Laura Burns now.
Yeah?
Well, they don't live in Iceland. They're traveling in Iceland, Tommy.
Traveling where?
In Iceland. You're right about that, but they're not going to live there.
Why not?
Well, maybe just for 2 weeks. You can call that living there, I guess. I suppose.
Paul and Laura are traveling.
Yeah, they're traveling.
Where?
Iceland.
Where?
Iceland.
Iceland.
Yeah.
Robbie, come back.
Adam and who?
Daryl, that's you, bud.
Daryl, go Daryl.
Go Daryl. What is Adam's brothers?
Tommy DeBreze,
that's you,
first
go.
place.
You can go climb up on the first place podium.
What's wrong? Are you done?
Oh no.
Wait, what was wrong?
Oh, wait,
Something wrong? Did you forget Adele?
No, I didn't. Oh, I forgot Adele.
That's okay. What were you thinking?
I just remembered. I just. Oh, I like this place. I've been thinking.
Oh, okay. You looked like you were thinking about something. Wow, that's nice, Tommy. What were you thinking when you were up there? I don't know what you were thinking.
Well, I forgot. I just remembered that matrix.
You forgot Adele. That's why he was up there.
Up the other girls.
Oh, that's okay, Tommy. Why don't you go get Adele, and we'll take a picture of you and Adele up there. Go get Adele. Okay? Go get her.
Take a picture of it.
He forgot to bring Adele, his guide dog, to the podium with him. He always brings.
She has autism. Put her in touch with the fabulous website, and
Thank
hopefully
you.
she'll be able to.
Yeah. That's a great idea.
Adele.
I don't know what Adele is doing. Adele, you're on the podium. Be noble, please.
Chelsea.
Chelsea, who's not the trained guide dog, is acting more noble. Adele. There, that's good. Now she's standing.
One more, one more. Okay, we're done.
Thank you.
Good.
Dogs with medals.
Doggies on
We should really put medals around the dogs' necks too while we're at it.
Thanks.
Thank you, Daryl. Nice medal, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. It's the start of your collection.
Yeah.
Are you going to go to Nationals in Montreal?
Yeah.
Depends on if Mom and Dad want to drive there.
Yeah, I think we are.
There
If he
you
wants to
go.
We'll go.
It'll be fun. There's some pretty fast guys at Nationals. Last year I didn't know if I didn't know how it was going to go. Depends who comes.
Yeah, it all depends.
Is it Chris? Are you Chris?
Yes.
Is his name Chris? Good job, Chris. Good race.
Say thank you. That is just so cool.
Isn't it?
I'm putting my kids in this.
Paddling is a good sport. Bye.
Bye, Julia. Bye, Jenny.
So what are we doing now? Are we taking off?
Yeah. Oh yes.